Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be decorating for Halloween and I'm so excited because I've been waiting to do this for a while. And I know everybody's probably already decorated by the time I upload this. You know, better late than never. So I am just going to take you guys with me to clean because my house desperately needs to be cleaned right now. And then I will show you guys the decorations I've got, and then you guys can come along and decorate with me. Here's my tote over here. I believe I just have one. I have a fall one and then I have a Halloween one. Jack, are you excited? All right, so we've got some hand towels, some lights, which I can't wait to put out, spider webs, bats, this spider web stuff, which I'm not crazy about, but my husband likes to put it outside. All kinds of cute little signs. So I'm just gonna go through here and see what I can use. And I'll try to decorate it differently than I did last year when I did one of these videos. So I'll try to be creative with it as much as I can. So let's get started. Y'all know I gotta have my water with me before I start cleaning. Okay, I'm ready. Jack, are you being a good boy and helping Mom? You are. All right, you guys, so that is going to be a wrap on the cleaning and decorating with me for Halloween. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was motivational and relaxing. It was a lot of fun decorating. I'll probably keep changing my decorations because I change my mind all the time. But I am just so happy they're out, and I like to be festive for every single holiday. So thank you guys so much for watching, and Jack and I will see you guys in our next video. Jack, sweetie. Let me say bye.